New toy alert. New toy alert. Let's see what we got, man. Level 1. Let's see what we got. 52 miles an hour. 52 miles an hour in level 1 on a pit bike. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 52 miles an hour. YouTube, it's your guy, Not Your Average Trucker. Back at it with a quick walk around, quick video. Today I have an Aipas S1 Amp electric pit bike. Aipas S1 Amp electric pit bike. DOT brakes, 4,000 watts, 60 volts, tail light, headlight, everything you need. 60 volts, 4,500 watts peak. 14-inch tire on the front, 12-inch tire on the rear. Most important part, this thing is only $1,300. $1,300. You cannot beat that at all. $1,300, you're getting 4,500 watts peak, 60 volts, 20 amp hour battery. Come on, man. Riding around the neighborhood or hitting some little trails. This thing here, you can probably ride this thing all day. $1,300. You cannot beat that at all. At all. At all. I've paid more than $3,000 for bikes that don't offer any of this. Them Verse pit bikes coming out, $3,000. You're not getting 52 miles an hour in level 1. Are you kidding? This thing is only $1,300. Cannot beat it. I am 5'10", about 190 pounds. This thing whipping me around, no problem. Rode this bike down here with my son. I got on my cell phone 50 miles an hour on the GPS. So if a 5'10" adult male, 190 pounds, can get up to 50 miles an hour out the box, no tweaks, out the box, I got 50 miles an hour. Come on, man. You can't beat that for $1,300. It comes well packaged. Quick little walkthrough of the packaging. Well packaged, delivered to my door. I'm in North Carolina, man, so I'm on the East Coast. And when I ordered it, once they sent me a tracking number, 3 days later, it was at my door. So from the time I ordered it to the time I received it was maybe 4 days. Come on, you can't beat that. Mine came from New Jersey. It comes with shin guards, goggles, a toolkit, obviously a manual, a fender, a charger. It's pretty much already assembled when it arrives. Packaged nice, no issues, no scratches, no dings, absolutely no issues. Took me maybe 30 minutes to put this thing together. It's a matter of throwing the handlebars on and throwing your front tire on, lining up, your wheel with the rotors, and making sure every bolt on the bike is tightened down. I always do that because whether it's me, I bought this for myself, but whether it's me or one of my 2 sons on it, I don't want them riding down the street and wheels falling off. So first thing you do is tighten up all the bolts and your shocks and all that, making sure everything is good. But like I said, man, less than 30-minute install. My son was creeping around watching me put it together, my 9-year-old, because he couldn't wait to test it out. You understand? He wanted to test it out before me. And I'm like, yo, Christmas time, I just got you something else. What are you worried about this thing for? It's not even for you, And my 16-year-old, he just got his first car a couple months back. So he's more infatuated with his car than he is these dirt bikes nowadays. So me and my 9-year-old, we ripping and running the city. And the best thing, well, not the city, but the neighborhood, the best thing about these little pit bikes is they're virtually silent, so you don't get Karens or people in your neighborhood pissed off that you riding around. Now, they do look at me because, hey, this thing here does 52 miles an hour, so I'm going to try to get every bit of that 52 miles an hour while I'm riding through the neighborhood. But back to it. This thing is well built, nice and aggressive. A lot of y'all are into that orange and that black. I'm a all things black type of dude. So, maybe I'll peel these stickers off and make it all black. But it's a beautiful bike out of the box. Look at what you're getting for $1,300, man. You cannot beat it. All the competitors that are in the same price range, they're 48 volts and they're only about 2,000, maybe 2,500 watts. You're getting way more than that on this bike. You got a nice headlight. Check this headlight out. Nice headlight. No complaints about the headlight. You're getting turn signals. You have a brake light. Come on, man. You hit the brakes, that light come on. You turn your signal, that light come on. This thing is almost street ready. Almost street ready. It even has a license plate holder. You understand? You can't beat that for $1,300. You got all these people going crazy about Yasmas and Valtenzus. Those things is 48 volts. People going crazy over Tudio. Those things is 48 volts unless you're ready to upgrade your battery and upgrade your controller. This thing out the box is ready. It's ready for you, man. It's ready for a grown-up like me. I'm pushing 50 years old. The bike pushing 50 miles an hour. So we almost matching each other. But it's definitely ready for your kids. You know, I got a 9-year-old son that's ready to test drive this thing before me. And it's perfect for a 9-year-old. Look at that. He's 9 years old. He's about maybe 4'8". I don't know. I haven't measured him. You know, we just write his height on the wall. I don't put any inches on it. But look at that. He's ready. That's level 1. Level 1 with no weight was 52 miles an hour. You know, each weight, each level that you change is 3 levels. It just basically changes the torque on the bike. So the top speed you can get in any level, but how fast you get there is determined by what level you put it on. But this is the Aipas S1 Amp, well built, easy to put together, fast shipping, ships from the United States of America. You know, so you order this thing, you're going to get it quick. They have warehouses, East Coast, West Coast. No problem getting this bike. Didn't have to worry about tariffs or Mr. Trump or any of that. Aipas S1 Amp, 4,000 watts, 60 volts. I'm going to drop y'all with some videos of my son riding the bike. Y'all be easy. I'll put a link to this bike in the description. If I get a coupon code, I'll put that up there also. Me and my son in the trail. Y'all be easy. Not your average trucker. Get you one.